Question: how can you accelerate your academic program when you're already booked solid with classes and activities? How can you take a class that isn't offered by your school system? How do you solve scheduling conflicts when you're close to graduation and want to advance your program? Answer: with an interactive online learning course from Spring ISD, offered through the Texas Virtual School Network. And if you need an online course to meet your English language arts needs, here's a great choice. English 2, developed by Spring ISD. In English 2, we take you beyond the basics of the English language and into learning how to use it to express yourself. We learn about poetry and puns, similes and metaphors, the parts of language that help the reader visualize what a writer is thinking. We study how great authors use language creatively to get their point across. English 2 Online gives you access to the same study material used in the traditional class, taught by the same instructors who developed it. You have the same high level of interactivity you'd enjoy in a real-time class, or even more. But you have the advantage in being able to participate in the course whenever and wherever it's convenient. Simply go to the Spring ISD Virtual School homepage and log in. This takes you to your virtual class page. In the main portion of the page are general class announcements. In the upper left corner of the page are messages for you from your teacher. Also in the left column are the Spring ISD online courses in which you're enrolled. To enter the learning environment, just click on a course, in this case, English 2. This takes you to the course page. This is where you'll access the material you'll be studying, along with your assignments. You can also access your teacher's webpage, news and messages, grades, and a lot more, all of it built into the Moodle Learning Management System. Now, if you've never heard of Moodle or taken an online class from Spring ISD, and if you're starting to get a little confused, don't sweat it. Everything is explained in orientation, which is actually your first assignment. Start by clicking here. This opens a page with a video that walks you through the orientation unit. Under the video frame, you'll also see a link to the orientation unit checklist. This shows each of the assignments you need to complete, how long each will take, and when each is due. Every unit in the course has its own checklist. This not only helps you keep from getting lost, but also helps you schedule your classwork around your other priorities. The orientation unit also includes a complete guide to working with Moodle. One of the most important skills in an online class is communicating with your instructor. So this unit includes an online video that shows you how to communicate with your teacher through Moodle's messaging system. Now, let's look at the course itself. The course is broken into learning units, each on a specific topic, all of them structured the same way. Each one starts with an overview module to introduce the topic. For example, the topic for Unit 2 is Point of View. Below the overview are links to the online study material. Along with the text, this material also includes videos, PowerPoints, web pages, and other rich media. Below those links, you'll find your lessons and assignments, and the assessments you must complete before moving on to the next unit. And as mentioned before, each unit includes a checklist to help you keep up with your studies. This is a great guide. The fact that you're studying online doesn't mean you'll be studying alone. Like all TXVSN courses, English 2 features a lot of interactivity. For example, your assignments might be to write an essay on a topic from your teacher, then post a portion of it to the class forum. Your teacher will review and comment on it, and you'll have a chance to review and comment on your classmates' work. As a junior or senior, you'll also be able to take part in global learning experiences. In these, you work with your classmates in online groups to come up with solutions for community problems, helping to further develop your writing and critical thinking skills. Throughout the course, you'll also be in constant contact with your teacher through individual and group messages, course announcements, and the forums, as well as traditional phone, text, and email. Teachers also communicate through their comments on your assignments and feedback on your assessments. You may find that you have more interaction with your teacher online than you ever did in the classroom. There's more to testing in the online environment as well. In addition to the traditional written assignments, one assessment might be to design a rich media poster using Glogster. Another might be to create a video, a PowerPoint, or other type of presentation. By incorporating an assortment of assessment styles, students have opportunities to show what they've learned in a variety of ways. And that's just a part of what makes English 2 a stimulating and challenging online class, one that will help you develop language skills that will be of great value in your career. Best of all, you can easily fit it into your schedule. For more information, please consult the Texas Virtual School Network catalog. Then schedule a time to meet with your academic counselor.